Hi guys, how are you doing today? First of all, I am really sorry that I haven't been posting anything since last few days. I wasn't well, but I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting me and my channel. And I love all of you who have been watching these videos and trying these few things that I'm telling you. But I have received messages from some people that they have not been able to try a few things because they don't have the required ingredients. So I decided today I will tell you 5 absolutely random things that I do for my skincare using all natural ingredients. Guys, trust me, it cannot get easier than this. These are the simplest things that I think will be there in each and every house. I have been doing these since years and they have worked beautifully for me. Also guys, it doesn't matter whether you're a boy or a girl. These few things can be done by everybody and they can solve your skin problems anyway. So let's start with our today's 5 absolutely random skincare hacks. First is ice therapy. Now I'm very sure everybody has ice in their refrigerators, but if you don't, please freeze some water because it's a magical hack for your skin problems. I do it roughly once or twice a week and it has a number of benefits like it helps you avoid breakouts, it helps you with redness, puffiness and soothes your skin completely. For this, you just have to take a few ice cubes in a cotton cloth and gently pat it on your skin and massage in circular motions. Try not to use ice directly on your face as it can harm your skin. Now this is a great way to boost your skin's glow. It minimizes your skin pores and reduces excessive oil production, thereby reducing the chances of acne. And if you already have acne, this is the best therapy to calm it down and make it go quickly. You can also replace water with other ingredients like aloe vera juice, cucumber juice, green tea, etc. for specific skin concerns and to enhance their effect on your skin. Second is aloe vera gel. Now I have always mentioned how much I love using aloe vera gel in all my DIY skincare products. But one thing that I have been doing since a very long time is that I have replaced my face cream with aloe vera gel. I don't like to use too many makeup products or skin products on my face because they contain a lot of chemicals. So I try to cut down on them as much as I can. But one thing that I'm doing is that I'm using aloe vera gel since a long time every time I wash my face or I take a shower, and it has worked beautifully for me. Now I have a combination skin, which means that my skin is normal in most areas of my face but oily in the T-zone, that is the forehead, nose and chin. So I have to take a lot of care to avoid breakouts in my T-zone. And for that, aloe vera gel has helped me greatly because it keeps my skin dry and seals the moisture into the skin without giving it that oily feel. If you have a dry skin, you can maybe use aloe vera gel once a day, but if you have a combination or an oily skin, please replace your face cream altogether with aloe vera gel and start using aloe vera gel whenever you wash your face. My most trusted brands are Capiva and Greenleaf. But there are a lot of other brands that sell organic aloe vera gel. Just start using them and trust me, you will start feeling the difference in just a month. Third is ghee. Now I don't know why, but I used to hate ghee as a kid. But as I grew older, I realized the number of benefits it has on our skin, on our health, and now it has become an essential part of my life. I cook all my food in ghee. But today I'm going to tell you how I use ghee for my skincare. Whenever I wash my face, especially at night, I apply ghee on my lips. Now ghee naturally moisturizes your lips and makes them soft and smooth. Also, it is a great remedy for dry and chapped lips. For this, you just have to take a drop of ghee, apply it on your lips, massage it gently and leave it overnight. And your lips will be naturally hydrated in the morning. You can also do it during the daytime if it suits you. I try to replace my lip balm with ghee as much as I can. It also gives them a natural shine and glow. Another thing that I do is I apply ghee on my face at night roughly once a week. For this, I just take 2 to 3 drops of ghee, rub it on my palms and gently massage my face with it and then leave it overnight. For people who have a dry skin, this is a great way to moisturize your skin. But for people like me who have a combination skin, do it just once or twice a week to avoid having breakouts. And for people who have an oily skin, don't use ghee on your face. Just stick to using ghee on your lips. Guys, ghee has so many health and skin benefits that I can go on and on about it. It has fat soluble vitamins, omega 3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, K, E, and healing properties that can work like magic for your skin and for your overall health. It moisturizes your skin, makes it instantly glow, reduces the signs of aging, giving you a youthful appearance, lightens your scars and acne marks, and a lot more. So please start using ghee in your food if you really want to improve on your health and on your skin texture. Fourth is lemon and honey. Now, this is a very cost effective remedy that I'm going to tell you today. You know, whenever we use lemon in salads or drinks, there is always some juice left in it. What do we do about it? We just throw it away. Instead, what you can do is take that lemon slice, squeeze some honey on it, and rub it on your face. Now make it a regular practice to apply this lemon and honey on your face, leave it for half an hour, and then wash it off with some warm water. Lemon has very strong astringent qualities and it is rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce skin damage and inflammation. Whereas honey is known to have antibacterial properties and enzymes that can help remove dead skin cells and exfoliate your skin naturally. Together they work as a wonderful face mask, improving your skin tone, skin texture, hyperpigmentation, acne, scars, marks, and most importantly, it reduces the chances of breakouts. I am personally a huge fan of lemon and honey, and I'm sure you will be soon too once you try it. Fifth is milk. Now remember how queens used to bathe in milk? Obviously, we don't have that luxury, but we can certainly afford to use 1 spoon of milk on our face once in a while. Guys, it is the best way to moisturize and hydrate your skin naturally, providing it with necessary vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Now, I prefer to use raw milk, but you can also use boiled milk if you have that. Just take a spoon of milk, soak a cotton ball in it, and apply it on your face. You can leave it overnight or for 1 hour and then wash it off with just plain water. And you will see instantly that your skin is supple and moisturized. Guys, cold raw milk is the best natural skin toner. Lactic acid in milk helps reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrate your skin, and reduce acne scars and marks. So try using these few things. They are very easily available and they are the most simple hacks that we can do probably once or twice a week for ourselves and for our skin. Guys, it is very important to take care of your skin. Maybe you have a beautiful skin right now, but how your skin ages depends on what care you take of your skin at this age. So please never take your skin or your body lightly, because like I always say, it is the only thing that is going to stay with you forever. So these were my 5 easy skincare hacks. I hope they will be helpful to you. I will be waiting for your lovely comments and feedbacks. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for all notifications.